Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you a small tool that I make that's gonna help us with carrying our taxes and expenses for the expenses that we might endure during the work from home scenarios. The link that I shared, you can just paste it in the Chrome on your browser on your phone. It would work best if you are using Google Chrome. I tried with Firefox, it was mixed, so I mean tried with other browsers, but for the sake of this exercise I'm going to show you on Chrome. Let's go to the Google Doc form that I created. You create a copy that would be your own copy, so the information you're going to submit would stays within your Google account, and all you need to do for this would be just a Google account. Once you get this notification, click restore. It's just gonna create something similar to an Excel sheet in the Google Drive for you to keep track all of those. You can rename things, you can modify the questions, the stores and everything. This is the template I created. You can click on any one of them and just change the orders or the type of the question and information, make it more relevant to you. If you click on those three dots on the top, you can click on the preview, and that shows you an actual working form that we're going to use as a trial on this exercise. So for the when, I'm going to just input one of the tax receipt, tax invoices that I have as a test. So I'm going to use the information from that, and I'm going to take a picture at the end just to have that record. So it was, there was a book I purchased in 11th of March. The book I bought was from Book Depository. The book name was The Life You Can Save, with, written by Australian author Peter Singer. The cost was $27.86, and I would say testing forms. And then I would attach a picture of the receipt. So essentially I can just take a picture like that and then upload the picture. And then finally, once it's uploaded, I can just submit it. Once I submit this, the responses that I did and the picture would both would backed up to my Google Drive, so I can reference to them later on in a very user-friendly format. So that was the form. The other one was how you could customize the form. The next step is actually going to make it easier for us to access this. So rather than remembering the link or storing a link somewhere, I click on those three buttons on the top, bring the list of the settings for the Google Chrome. Right in the bottom, fourth one from the bottom, you can see there is an option called Add to Home Screen. You can click on that, making the name for the shortcut. So essentially creating a shortcut. You can hold your finger on it and move it, and I leave it on my screen. So from now on, anytime I click on this, immediately I have it. So if I'm in the shop, Officeworks, wherever I purchase something, I can click on this, comes up, put the information in quickly, and don't worry about the receipt or holding the receipt for my tax time, and all of those information will be taken care of. Where they're gonna store it, if you go to your Google Drive, as long as you have a Google account, these Google will create one for you. So these are all comes free. You can see the form stores here, the actual one. You can click on the responses and see the responses that have been provided. So far was one response. You can click on that green shape, similar to Excel sheet on the middle and the right, and that brings you can just create a new spreadsheet, and then it shows all those information in a spreadsheet for you. And then you can see that was the information that I provided with the link to the receipt, and then click on that link, opens the picture. Otherwise, I could just, in my Google Drive, I could go to the folder associated with that and open the picture from there. that is for now. Hopefully that would help some of you who needed to purchase a lot of items for your work from home, and then by the end of June when it's a tax time, gonna save you some time. Catch you all later. Thanks.